Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this video is going to be a brown girl beauty favorites video. If you're a brown skin tone girl like me, then you would find some amazing products that works beautifully on each and every one of your beautiful brown, chocolate skin tone. So it's going to look so nice on you. So I have couple of products to go through. If you're interested, then please keep on watching. Before which, please give this video a big thumbs up. Please share, comment, and also don't forget to hit the red color subscribe button underneath this video, and also hit the bell notification so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. So without wasting much time, let's get started with today's video. So the first thing I'm going to be talking about is a skincare product, which is a vitamin C serum. So this is the vitamin C serum that I've been using quite often these days, and this is the Jeva vitamin C serum with 20% vitamin C, and it also has hyaluronic acid. It's a 15 ml bottle, and it has anti-aging and brightening benefits. So every brown skin tone girl must be facing this problem of hyperpigmentation around your mouth, or on your forehead or something. So vitamin C really helps you to get rid of this hyperpigmentation problems, and also it brightens your skin tone nicely. It does not whiten, it brightens your skin tone. It's gonna just give that nice boost of brightness to your skin tone. So I would highly suggest that every brown skin tone, everybody needs to have a vitamin C serum if you have any hyperpigmentation issue, but especially brown skin tone girls suffer a lot from this hyperpigmentation issue, and this is gonna be a very helpful product. Please invest in this. Use it in the morning, a couple of drops, just pat it into your skin, and in longer run you will see a difference. With vitamin C serums, you have to use it consistently to see a difference, and also vitamin C is known to have anti-aging properties, and it also fights free radicals. It is an antioxidant, so it's going to fight those free radicals, and you can top it off with a sunscreen in the morning. So using a vitamin C serum in the morning is like best, I would say. So every brown skin tone girl must have this vitamin C serum in their kit, so keep that in mind. So the second product is a beauty item. Every product in this video is going to be a beauty item. So the second product is this is the nail paint from Nykaa. This is Masaba by Nykaa nail enamel, and this is in the shade Killing Me Softly number 280. So this is the nail paint that I have on my nails right now. Of course, I used it a week back, so it has chipped a little bit, but the color is so beautiful on brown skin tones. So this is a very nice deep mauve shade that looks so nice on brown skin tone. So I would highly suggest that you buy this nail paint. So that's my second pick, and my third pick is an orange corrector. So of course, if you're a brown skin tone girl, you would have hyperpigmentation, you would have intense dark circles. I'm a person who has extreme dark circles and quite a lot of hyperpigmentation around my mouth. So I use this, which is the LA Girl Orange Corrector. It's going to help counteract your dark spots, dark areas, and if you set it with a powder, then if you lay your foundation on top, you can't even see that you had those hyperpigmentation and dark circles. As you can see, I've used it underneath my eyes today, and you cannot even see that I have dark pigmented regions on my face. So this is a magic product. I love using an orange corrector, especially deep dark skin tones. They do need orange corrector because you have many tones on your skin and darkness around your mouth to correct. So this is a must have in a brown skin tone girls makeup kit. So that's my third pick. My fourth pick would be a full coverage concealer. So obviously, if you're using an orange corrector, you cannot use a very light coverage concealer because that orange corrector will peek through. So a high coverage concealer like this one, this is the PAC Spotlight Concealer, and I'm in the shade 12 Frozen Caramel, and this concealer has like extremely good coverage. You don't even need a lot of it, just a small amount of it would do. And this has so much pigment in it. It covers my under eye circles, the pigmentation around my mouth, especially after applying an orange corrector beautifully. It just covers it so beautifully. This is the best concealer ever. And I also like the Age Divine concealer, but if you have intense dark circles, this offers a little bit more pigmentation than that one, so I would highly suggest this for brown skin tone girls. So this is how the product looks like. Comes with a wand as well, so that you can apply it easily. So that's my fourth product. So coming to the complexion itself, I have a beautiful blush for all of us brown chocolate skin tone girls. It's gonna look amazing on you. This is the blush that I have on my face right now. This is the Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow Wine. Though it says Mellow Wine, it looks like a nice nude color blush on my skin tone. Like you can see, it looks so beautiful on my skin tone. So this is something that you need to go for if you're looking out for a very natural nude color blush. Though it says Mellow Wine, it's not a wine color on our dusky skin tone girls. It looks like a very nice nude blush, and it complements our skin tone so well. And this is like very affordable. This retails for about 299 rupees or 399 rupees, I'm not too sure. They do have other shades in this, but I would highly recommend the Mellow Wine shade, as it looks extremely gorgeous. So I'll do a quick little swatch of this on the back of my hand as well. So this is how the blush looks like. It's not like heavily pigmented. The pigment is just enough for you to have that nice blushy cheeks. So that's how this blush works. It works beautifully. And my next pick is going to be a highlighter, which is again in the affordable category. I actually have this highlighter on my face right now. It's a very nice subtle highlighter. I'm talking about the Miss Claire Strobing powder for glowing hydrated look to the complexion, and this is in the shade number 05. Oh my god, this highlighter, it's a beautiful, it's between champagne and gold, more on the gold side I would say. It looks so beautiful on our dusky skin tone girls. Like you can see, it does not have like a white stripe or anything. It complements our skin color so well. A white very pale sort of highlighter would look very stark on our skin tone, but this has a golden undertone, and it looks supremely beautiful and ethereal. For that ethereal beautiful glow, you can go for this, and it retails for only about 350 rupees or something. It's so affordable. The quality is great, and highly suggest that you go out and buy this. So my next pick, coming to the eyes, I actually have this eyeshadow palette on my eyes today. This is the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette. I actually featured this palette in my top 6 eyeshadow palette video or something, and I also did a demo with it. I actually have this palette on my eyes today, and oh my god, I love my eye look today. It looks very nice, and it complements my skin so well. This has beautiful colors that would look so gorgeous and would show up on our brown skin tone. Palettes that are available in Maybelline, L'Oreal and all that, they don't even show up on brown skin tone girls. They're not even that pigmented, and I would highly suggest you to go for this instead of that, because it has some gorgeous colors. Like, look at that. It has a nice burnt orange shade, it has a deeper rusty orange shade, has a nice magenta shade, a brown shade that shows up on our skin tone, a transition caramelly brown shade, and these shimmers right here. Oh my god, it's just an all-in-one palette. This cool tone shade I never use, but these warm tone shades are my go-to, and warm tone shades would look so nice on our dusky deep skin tone girls. So it's going to look very nice on your eyes as well. It's going to show up. It's highly pigmented. I'll do a couple of swatches for you guys. So these are the most favorite matte shades, my most favorite matte shades. Can you see how pigmented that is? it's supremely pigmented. I've swatched this row for you guys. The shimmers are not that pigmented. I actually wet my brush today to apply the shimmer, and that's why it's looking a little, you know, sparkly and nice. So if you wet your brush and use the shimmer, there are only two shimmers, this and there's a bronze and a gold. It's gonna look so nice on you if you wet the brush, but with mattes you don't even need that. It's so good, it blends out beautifully, the pigmentation is spot on. So this is a highly recommended palette, and look at the state of my palette. It's kind of, you know, dirty because I've used it so much. I, you know, immediately pick up this palette if I want a quick eye look, so I go for this palette only. And gorgeous palette, highly recommended, and it retails for only about 4.99 rupees or something. For the quality that you're getting in this palette, that price is like so much worth it. And coming to eyeliner, so a brown skin tone girl needs an eyeliner that is deep black, jet black, highly pigmented, so that it shows up on your eyelid. Because if you are you know, wearing an eyeliner on an everyday basis, you wouldn't actually cover your eyes with some concealer, set it with a powder and all that. You would wear it on your bare eyelids as it is. So you know, on that, on top of that pigmented eyelids, an eyeliner should actually show up. So this is the eyeliner that I came across, which is from NY Bae. This retails for 40 rupees or 60 rupees only, and this is like jet black. This is the eyeliner I have on today, and can you see how jet black this is? The tip is so good. The only problem is that the place where you hold it, it's very short, so it's very difficult to apply in that case. But the brush tip is so good and flexible. I like brush tip over felt tip because you can easily draw. So this is supremely pigmented. Let me do a quick swatch of this. So this is the pigmentation. It's a matte eyeliner. I hate glossy eyeliners. I just cannot stand glossy eyeliners. It looks very weird on my eyelids, so I prefer a matte eyeliner. This is actually it's gonna dry matte once it settles down, so it's a very nice matte, highly pigmented, beautiful, affordable eyeliner for us brown skin tone girls. So coming to lipsticks, so I have two lipstick recommendation that I've been currently obsessing over, I would say. These are the two ones. Let's talk about the Miss Claire one first. This is the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade 62. I have a couple of Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Creams. I'm planning to do a swatch video on that. If you're interested, please comment down below. I would do it for you guys. So I have some nice brown nude shades, so that you can, you know, see some nude shades in this Miss Claire range. The formula is beautiful. Coming to this shade, this is the shade 62. It's a beautiful mauve shade. Before this, I was obsessing over the shade number 55. That is also a very nice mauve shade, and this shade is very much close to the Miss Claire SMLC in number 55. I finished 2 tubes of that, I believe, and I got this one. This is also so beautiful. It's such a nice mauve nude color. Like you can see, I'm going to be inserting swatches. It's so beautiful. I'm not sure if it's coming across as mauve on camera, but it's a nice pinky mauve shade. It looks beautiful on our skin tone, you girls. It's gonna look wonderful. I highly recommend that you pick this color up. It's very affordable. It's for only 295 rupees, and it looks beautiful. So this is the shade, and the next shade that I love is from Faces. This is the Faces Canada Ultim Pro Intense Matte Lips Plus Primer. I did a whole review on this particular lipstick. I also swatched another shade. This is the shade Natural Cocoa, and it's a very beautiful earthy tone brown color. It's gonna look gorgeous on our dusky skin tone girls. That's the lipstick I have on my lips right now. It's gonna complement a very nice neutral eye look and also a smoky eye look. It's gonna look gorgeous. It's a very nice, beautiful, everyday shade, and it glides on like butter. The only thing is that this is a little bit expensive. It retails for about 7.99 rupees, but it's totally worth it because the formula is gorgeous. The colors are amazing. I'm planning to pick up more colors from this, even though the price is like up there. I would love to pick up more colors. So this is the Natural Cocoa shade, and it's a beautiful, gorgeous color. Like you can see, it does transfer like a little bit, but then it's okay. It doesn't matter. The you know, pigmentation is gorgeous, the formula is gorgeous, and it looks amazing, it feels comfortable. So I would highly recommend that you buy these two lipsticks. And yeah, with that we come to the end of this video. I hope you found this video useful, all the brown skin tone girls out there. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do take a moment and subscribe. I do a lot of lipstick swatches, and I also you know, show brown skin tone friendly products on this channel. So if you're interested in that sort of you know, videos, then please take a moment, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell notification. It would mean a lot to me. So I'll see you next time in another great video. Until then, take care, tata, bye bye.